The ACX extension identifies an Assassin's Creed audio archive file containing packaged game audio assets from Ubisoft's Assassin's Creed series. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract or troubleshoot these game audio files. Here's a professional insight. For those ACX files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. ACX files are audio archive files from Ubisoft's Assassin's Creed game series, containing packaged sound effects, music dialogue, and ambient audio assets. They store compressed audio data loaded by the game engine during gameplay for immersive audio experiences. Assassin's Creed ACX files use a proprietary archive format, packaging Wwise-encoded audio assets, including voice dialogue, sound effects, and music loops. They are processed by Audiokinetic's Wwise audio middleware integrated into the game engine. Assassin's Creed via third-party tools from Ubisoft offers a certified solution for the ACX file type. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows offers very limited visibility into these files, so proper use requires game-oriented applications. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your ACX file and choose Open With. Test Assassin's Creed via third-party tools first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. If you still can't open the ACX file, it's okay. General troubleshooting won't work on this ACX file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, extracting audio. Use Wwise audio extraction tools such as Ravioli game tools or ww2ogg to convert Wwise audio within ACX archives to standard OGG or WAV formats. These tools handle the Wwise riff header format and decode compressed audio streams to playable files. Next, inspecting contents. Use QuickBMS with Assassin's Creed specific scripts to browse ACX archive contents and extract individual audio files. Community modding forums provide extraction scripts tailored to specific Assassin's Creed game versions for accurate file extraction. Finally, modding considerations. Modifying ACX audio files may affect game stability and could trigger anti-cheat systems in multiplayer modes. Create backups of original files before modification. Test audio changes thoroughly in single-player mode. Verify game file integrity through Ubisoft Connect if issues arise. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.